heading 235 Malaysian 409, 3500 Malaysian 409. Heading 190, heading 190, clear ILS 14 left Malaysian 409.
Ignition set 1915, we just traffic alert because no RA and establish on localizer.
For arrival, Cathay 723 descending at altitude 6,500 feet. Descend altitude 6,500 feet and cancel the start direct man on Cathay 723.
Emirates 408 for station 4. Yes, 1 contact tower 118 definite.
Region 1, bye-bye.
Bye.
Station 1 approaching 8,000.
Station 789, 10,000.
7,000 Station 1 approaching 8,000.
Station 1 is 10,000.